Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. And then scroll down again and localize the OTG. So if it wasn't turned on automatically, simply tap on it and tap on this switcher here, and now this option is active. If you wish to turn off the OTG, you can either tap on this switcher again, or you can simply wait because after 10 minutes of inactivity, when the OTG is not in use, it will be automatically turned off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.